Now imagine if you could earn $40 in less than a minute by performing a few easy activities on your smartphone. What a fantastic thing! After watching this video, when you figure out the trick, how many times will you repeat it? You can make $400 10 times. You can earn $4,000 without a cap if you do it 100 times. It is undoubtedly feasible using these 3 separate websites, as I will illustrate in this video. Everything was totally free and open to everyone, and payments were made on the same day. I'm pretty pumped up. Let's get going. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. I want to ask you to view the entire clip before we begin the video, because I'll be showing you 3 different places where you can make money online. Make sure you don't skip forward or miss anything in this video, because if you employ all 3 of them simultaneously, you'll be able to develop several revenue streams concurrently and earn the greatest money. Before we get going, let me quickly go through some of the payment choices you have for taking your earnings. You can make money via PayPal, as you can see here. You can cash out your money into your bank account even if you don't have a PayPal account. You may actually withdraw your money in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, and they essentially support any country in the world. Just think about how easy it is to implement this strategy and how much money you may possibly make. Now, you might believe that this sum of money is not much, but keep in mind that it quickly adds up. I'll share with you my tried and true technique for making $40 repeatedly. You are free to repeat it as often as you wish. You only need to finish a few easy activities on the first website we publish in order to start making money. You can start earning up to $4 or $10 by, for instance, liking videos, watching movies, taking a few quick surveys, visiting specific websites, or sending a few short emails. Again, you can select any assignment you want to complete, and I'll show you which one is the best to complete so that you can save a ton of time, finish it in 1 to 2 minutes, and make a ton of money online. The first website where you may carry out some simple activities and get a ton of money is called Pickle Workers. Once more, after signing up, you can get some free cash. Check out this 75 cents welcome bonus. You can start looking for a job and earning free money right away by opening an account and getting the bonus. If you stick with me through the conclusion of this video, I'll show you a clever little hack that can easily quadruple your earnings, allowing you to earn even more money than other users. The easiest ways to get money on this website are by liking and watching videos. One other approach I'd like to discuss with you is the referral program. You can share this with your friends or even total strangers if you have a Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or Tumblr account. And if they join and use the service, you can get paid commissions for any task they finish. Isn't that fantastic? They finish the job and you receive a commission. You can always do the task yourself if you don't want to rely on commissions or referrals. Your second source of passive income will once more increase as you receive more referral over time as they grow and accumulate. All of the tasks, which are advantageous and quick to accomplish in under 30 seconds, can be completed while viewing videos and liking videos to earn $2, $5, $40, and $80. I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video so far before we delve any further. Also, if you enjoyed and learned something from this video, please comment below. Referring back to the video, in order for the employer to pay you, you must accomplish the duties on this website. Because many people submit wrongly or they don't submit anything at all, they are unable to generate money on this page. I'll outline how to accomplish that precisely so you don't make any mistakes. Let's first have a look at another point-generating website. This one uses a point system, and after earning enough points, you may exchange them for actual cash. At the time this video was being recorded, 1,000 points worth $1. I'll show you a secret way to get 500,000 points in a single day that no one else is aware of. Another benefit for you is that you only need to download Proton VPN, a free VPN service on your computer or smartphone if you're browsing from outside the United States. Since many websites out there are restricting your country, as I'm sure many of you are aware, this will allow you to sign up when you visit a page like this. So make sure you test Proton VPN or any alternative. Now, this website's name is Earnably. It is unquestionably a legal website. However, if like me, you are from a smaller nation or a third world nation, you should utilize Proton VPN to register. You might make money on this particular website merely by watching videos. Start by selecting one of the businesses, going to their website and watching the entire video without missing a beat. When using a phone or computer, you can set it to automatically play in the background while using other application or taking care of other errands. The best part is that if you combine the two websites, you may rapidly get $40 within minutes and earn even more money if you have several mobile devices, such as 2 or 3 phones, at home with your family members including your parents, siblings, and other relatives. Remember once more that wasting time on anything else is a waste of time. Focus on watching and enjoying videos instead. Surveys should not be taken because they pay relatively little. I'll now show you how to use StreetBees, the third website. You can make sizable number of money each time you send a text or message by performing a very simple task on our website. Take a moment to consider this. If you own a smartphone, you can sign up, make an account, and log in for nothing. You'll be asked to snap pictures of various objects such as coffee or your coffee maker, and you will receive a message that you must respond to. Sometimes they'll ask you to add the photos when you reply. Take pictures of your breakfast and the clothes you're wearing today, for instance, and send them to receive $10. They'll usually ask you to take a few simple pictures of things around you each day to earn money, which is usually very simple. By doing these requests, such as capturing the pictures they request, uploading them, and sending them to them, you can get money on StreetBees. This app is now available for free download from the App Store or Google Play Store. To earn money, just answer one of the questions or perform one of the tasks. You'll be taken to the App Store or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device when you click the Join Now button. You can see for yourself that both of these stores have received generally positive evaluations because 33,000 of the reviews gave them 4 stars. Once more, samples are provided here, thus download the app and give it a try. You can quickly make $10 each day by finishing a narrative, sending a message, and responding to one. It will only take a few minutes. This is something I'd want to bring up, since it's something they provide as a new platform and company, and they now have a StreetBees Ambassador program where you can join and be paid to help us expand your country. If you're from the United States, United Kingdom, Philippines, India, Kenya, Sri Lanka, or Nigeria, this is a terrific opportunity for you to join this company right away because it is on the rise. You can click the Apply Now button and join them while it's still early. You will receive decent money from 87 different nations across the world for each story you share, message you send, or brief questions you respond. You only need to submit your name and email and click Apply Now to sign up for this form in order to become a StreetBees ambassador, as there is currently little competition and a lot of people who are ignorant that this website even exists. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.